Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Geometric series problems look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by following these 3 simple steps to find the correct interval for variable x. First, view this as a geometric series. The general form is the sum of r to the n. Here, our ratio r is the negative quantity 3x plus 1. A geometric series converges only when the absolute value of the ratio is less than 1. This gives us the inequality for the absolute value of negative 3x plus 1. Finally, expand the inequality to negative 1 less than 3x plus 1 less than 1. Subtract 1 and divide by 3 to find the final interval for x. Got it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore endpoints or mess up ratio signs. Always require absolute r less than 1.